How to play casino mode in Aviator. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can choose this type. First of all, open the application. So I'm in my home page. Here on the right bottom, you can see this casino icon. Simply tap on casino. So this is the place where you'll be able to find different games that are available. So here there are even different sections and category that are distinguished. Now simply tap on the one that you want to play or start matchmaking. Now in order to play any game, first you must have an account. So create an authentic account and you'll be able to easily play the game. So as you can see, I'm getting loaded, and after that I'll be able to gain and play this game. So the game has started now. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.